My name is Officer Todd Drager. I've been with the Rockford Police Department 19 years. This is my first complete year as a school resource officer. Today I was lucky enough to be in attendance in a music class and participate actually. I did a little bit of everything as far as hand percussion, some bells, some wood blocks, things of that nature. Pretty much being taught by the kids myself as far as what they've been working on as far as their rhythm and their music. I have a little bit of percussion background. I've been playing the drums in various bands for about the last 25 years, so it was really exciting to see how the kids really were enthusiastic and really eager to start playing in music. You know, I speak with the children when they're in the hallways, when they're at lunch, things of that nature. Just anything to interact with them as far as how would I like them to view me or perceive me. Definitely is somebody, A, of authority, but B, someone they can trust and feel comfortable coming to or talking to, really about anything. One of the best parts about that is they do seem eager to talk to me as far as, and I've gotten this from other resource officers too, about how is school going? Are you having a good day? But just trying to remain positive and reinforce and support them that they can have a good day every day. I'd say one of the best parts of this position here as a resource officer is definitely dealing with the children, regardless of what school or what level, elementary, middle school, even into high school. Just building that rapport with the kids in open dialogue and conversation with them. And the reason that we are here is for the safety of everyone in the building, but as I said before, is building that relationship with everybody from adult down to the youngest child who attends the school on a day-to-day basis. The importance of us being in the schools, be it from some students to even parents, some people see that as a negative thing, but I really think it's a positive for a lot of different reasons in order to be an extension of the faculty, the staff in supporting the kids, whether they're having issues or whether they just want to share some happy times, good grades, good project, things of that nature, or if they know they need help, that we're there and they can talk to us.